If you're watching this video from anywhere in the world and you are really eager to learn how to drive a manual car, then this video and this channel is definitely for you. Let's jump into the video directly.
In the basic scenario, my left foot will always go on to the dead pedal, which is something supposed to press the clutch. This is a full clutch press. If I release the clutch, this is done. Half clutch press is more like I am just using my heels as a support, pressing clutch little bit, not fully. This is full, this is a little bit of half, and there is a sweet point. Each vehicle has it as a different. You will learn about that sweet point of your vehicle the more you try to practice or drive your vehicle. Basically, sweet point is the one when you try to release the clutch slowly, your vehicle starts moving forward, right? That is where you can call it as a sweet point. Or what exactly is half clutch? So in case you are stuck in the bumper to bumper traffic or slow moving traffic, you want to go slower. Most of the time you are in the first or second gear, but you don't want your car to be stopped or halted, right? So usually what we do is like we press the clutch pedal, we have the clutch pedal pressed, and we have the accelerator pedal, but slowly we are going to release the clutch pedal, not fully. I'm not going to take it off, just a little bit, till there is a sweet point, right? So your sweet point is more like this is the exact moment when your vehicle starts moving forward when you try to release the clutch. So at this moment, if I haven't pressed any accelerator or brake, right? So how can I get my sweet point of this clutch is more like the when you start releasing your clutch slowly, your vehicle starts moving forward. That is your sweet point, and only with that sweet point your vehicle cannot move forward further, so you are going to press a little bit of accelerator. Now if you want to slow down, you are not going to put the brake, rather you again press the clutch so that vehicle gets slowed down. And people try to do this kind of movement, like shifting between these two legs, like this down up down up down up down up, but that is kind of juggling around both of the legs, which is something you can get expertise with the more and more practice you do. Now my left foot is for the clutch, which is done. Right foot should be always in line with the brake pedal. This is where my brake pedal is. You see, like my feet is as good as straight, but if I have to press the accelerator pedal, I am using my heel support, and just a little bit of 30 degrees or 40 degrees I am moving to the accelerator pedal. I'm not going like this, not like this, and not lifting my feet. This is wrong. I have to always put my feet stable on the brake side, and I am just tilting it on the accelerator side so that I can give the gas pedal, or I can give more power to my vehicle. This helps in case if you get panic, you will not end up pressing the accelerator, but you will end up pressing the brakes, which is more safer than pressing the accelerator when you get the panic. So this is one scenario. Many of the times for the new beginner drivers, they say like you try to drive with the bare feet, that way you can get more feel about how these pedals are working, or you get more control. But I would suggest, or if possible, or if secure for you, maybe driving with the shoes is always the best option. It is more safer because we can put the uniform pressure, not with the single finger or two fingers. You get the uniform pressure on the each of that pedal, right? So when you are learning as well as a beginner, sometimes it is always better like you park your car if it is in stationary, and just try to do some practice on this clutch pedal. So try to press it and try to get the feel, I mean the power or force, how much it is needed to push the clutch pedal, and how slowly you can release. The more slowly you try to release the clutch pedal, the more better control you are going to get on those clutch pedals.
I hope you really enjoyed the ride. Comment if you like the video or if there are any improvements you want me to make. Comment if there are any panic situations which you want me to cover. And like I said before, please drive safely. Like, subscribe, and share if you love this channel. Thank you.